So if we're given this sequence, and that is equal to 2, where x to the y is x to the y, what is x? Well, for infinite sequences, there's a special trick. Because it is infinite, right? Let's say I have x to the x to the x, whatever, whatever. That's the same as just x to the x, etc., where I'm saying, for symmetry, let's just do that. I'm saying that forget including this. This product is the same as if we did not include the first x and just did this, because it's infinite. There's an infinite number. So like we can just ignore the first one and the product would still give the result. So if we took advantage of this observation, what we can say is define this sequence to be n. Well, then we can just say x to the parentheses of this sequence. Well, this sequence is n, but this entire sequence is also n. So like you see the nested structure of this kind of problem. So if I illustrate this again, that's x to the x to infinity. Call this n. Well, if we define it like this and it goes to infinity, then this right here in the exponent is also n. So what this becomes is x to the n is equal to n. And, or x to the n is equal to n. But we also know what this n is, right? It's equal to 2. So x squared is equal to 2. Hence x is equal to root 2, or negative root 2. And for this question, whether we take the positive or negative or not, I don't think really matters, but let's just say we take the positive one, and the answer is root 2.